You can make tons of cash just by clicking your mouse. Crazy, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that you can create a side hustle just by doing this very simple thing right here. This is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money just by clicking your mouse. If you like this video, drop your comments down below, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. What if you could make money just by clicking your mouse? What if you could figure out how to multiply that little number by a large amount with a single click? In comparison to other individuals, you have the ability to generate an unlimited amount of money just by utilizing your phone or computer. To get started, you don't need any complicated technological skills or knowledge, nor do you need to develop any websites or videos, nor do you need any social media followers, because this new strategy is entirely free and accessible from everywhere on the planet. Imagine being able to achieve financial independence simply by using easy online money-making tactics. You could provide for yourself, your needs, and your desires if you had that financial freedom. It doesn't matter if it's a house, a car, or anything else. You can pay your bills, your child's school tuition, and anything else that your family requires if you have the financial freedom to do so. And it's because of today's basic method. So stay tuned to the end to find out how to use this method. Also, don't forget that I'll be giving you exclusive additional advice that will help you to earn twice as much as other individuals. So make sure you stick around and watch the entire thing. Step number 1. To begin, visit entireweb.com. While EntireWeb is similar to Google, they are still a startup, which is why they are offering a reward to anyone who can generate clicks that lead to this website. They're hoping to get more money to click on it so that they can get more traffic to their website and make money. There is a menu icon on their homepage, as you can see. Then select Affiliate from the drop-down menu. You will be taken to this page, where you'll see the following. Earn up to 20 cents per click, which works out to $5 for every 25 clicks. Now, isn't that straightforward? I'll also give you some pointers on how to maximize this earning potential and turn it into something more passive over time. As you can see, you'll be compensated for each click you generate on this platform. Now, to be clear, anyone from anywhere on the planet can use this technique. You can cash out your earnings through PayPal once you've completed the procedures. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry. They also accept other forms of payment. As you can see, all earnings for the previous month will be paid at the end of the month. All transactions are conducted in US dollars. Simply enter your PayPal email address to get started, and you'll be good to go. To pique your interest, this platform functions similarly to the Google search engine. This website allows you to search for anything you want. You can simply type in any topic or keyword you'd like to learn more about or research. And this platform will provide you with the most relevant and accurate information. If I type in money making, for example, I'll be taken to this page, which will show me all of the search results relating to the topic or term I just typed. Using this strategy, we become website promoters, or affiliates in their terms, who will assist them in achieving their goal of gaining trust from site visitors, allowing you to make a lot of money as easily as pie. You can earn a lot of money if you refer someone to use the platform, and that's for just one person. What if you could persuade hundreds or thousands of people to use this search engine just by simply clicking on it? That means a large sum of money is on its way to you. Now let's get started by signing up. Simply click this button right here to do so. You'll be taken to this page after clicking, where you'll provide them with the information they need to complete your registration, such as the details required here. Step 2. Read the terms and conditions after you've completed all of these. If you agree, simply check this box before clicking sign up to finish your registration. You'll be transported to your personal dashboard after signing up. However, before you do anything else, you must first secure your one-of-a-kind link. You'll make a lot of money if someone clicks on your link and visits the entire web. Now all you need is a short script to promote your one-of-a-kind link. Simply go to Google Docs and create a blank page on which to write something that will entice them to follow your link. Another alternative is to use Google to look for a ready-made script. However, if you have the time, you may simply write your own. The little time and work you put into writing a script will pay off handsomely in the not-too-distant future. After you've finished your script in Google Docs, simply click the button below to download it in PDF format. Step number 3. Then we'll move on to our next website, slideshare.net, where we'll post our completed short script along with a link to our website. With the millions of daily views from individuals all over the world, this platform is incredible. It's a traffic generator that allows you to promote any link to thousands of people for free every single day. To get started, go ahead and create an account by clicking this link. After that, choose the file you want to promote and give it a catchy title that will persuade people to click on it. Simply click this button to publish your script once you've finished all of the details. That is all there is to it. All you have to do now is sit back and wait for the clicks and money to come in. In the end, this is a win-win situation for all parties involved. Entire web obtains more customers and the users can search for anything they desire. And that is it, you guys. That is how you can easily earn money just by clicking your mouse. Who knew making money could be this easy, right? As always, this channel is dedicated to bringing you fresh content to help you live the life you want through side hustles. Once again, this is Dark Money Secrets, and if you like the video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's it, and see you in the next video.